Priest for a full check of your forecast this morning. Hi, Chelsea.
Hey, Case. Yeah, we had some heavy rain coming down for many locations overnight. What we're looking at right now is a little lull over Rhode Island, but we had widespread steady showers that began yesterday evening, continued overnight. Many spots picking up 1 to 2 inches of rain. And we have some ponding on the roadways, some big puddles on our roadways early this morning. So there's the flood watch that remains in place for many of us until 11 a.m. and also a wind advisory along our coastline, as that's where some of our gusts have been the highest, over 35 miles per hour at times overnight. You can tell that with both of those expiring at 11 o'clock, we see gradual improvements as the day goes on. Temperature-wise, we're very mild this morning, sitting in the mid to even upper 60s to start the day. 65 in Providence right now, 64 in Newport, 67 in New Bedford. The breeze is currently coming in from the southeast, about 5 to 15 miles per hour, and there are some gusts outside right now, especially for the coastline out over the Cape. 35 mile per hour wind gust over Martha's Vineyard. Things seem to be winding down just a bit from overnight, but it is still breezy, and that's why we still have that wind advisory in place. The rain over the last couple of hours coming in more from south to north and west to east, but we do have this cold front that is gradually and very slowly pushing towards the east. So we're going to continue to see some rain filling in for the first part of the day, but eventually this rain does start to push offshore. We'll get brighter and brighter as we head through the late part of the day and through the weekend especially. Much wider view of your satellite radar image shows you that after we get through this morning rain, you're going to start to see drying conditions and clearing conditions. Going through things hour by hour, what you're looking at by about noontime, a few lingering showers out over the Cape, out over far eastern Mass. Otherwise, you're looking at dry conditions, clearing conditions. You'll get into some sunshine from west to east as we head through the afternoon. You'll be clear overnight. Temperatures will dip down into the 40s, so it'll be significantly cooler by tomorrow morning. And then tomorrow you'll see sunshine for most of the day. Should be a really nice October day with high temperatures in the upper 60s range. Heading into Sunday, we'll start the day with some sunshine and cool temperatures. Into the afternoon, a few clouds start to roll in ahead of some rain that'll come into the area for the beginning of next week. We have the morning rain, we have the morning wind. We'll get into some late day drying, or late morning drying, late day clearing. Temperatures should top out in the low 70s range outside as we head through the later part of the day today. So it is still a mild day. Overnight, we're going to dip down to the 40s. So again, we're in the 60s this morning, about 20 degrees cooler by tomorrow morning. It'll be a chilly night, but the breeze is much lighter. And then tomorrow you'll see sunshine. Should be a really nice day. High temperatures in the upper 60s. 7-day forecast shows upper 60s on Sunday as well. A few showers possible into Monday and the early part of next week. From there, we're seeing sunshine, but it'll be breezy and much cooler towards the middle portion of next week with high temperatures only in the 50s. Casey?
Hi.